Upper screws.
The bumper is attached to the top with 4 screws. Remove all screws.
Screws to the wheel arch liner.
The bumper is attached to the wheel arch liner with 3 screws on each side. Remove them.
Bottom screws.
First, remove all screws on the underside that are screwed directly into the bumper. These are 2 on the side and 4 in the middle. In addition, you also remove all the screws on the underside of the wheel arch liner so that you can fold it away a little in the next step.
Screws to the fender.
The bumper is screwed to the fender twice on the inside. To do this, you have to screw the wheel arch liner away a little to create enough space. As soon as you have enough space, you can access the 2 screws on the inside. Remove both screws.
Hooks on top.
Now the bumper is just hooked into the front panel. Push the hooks down to free the bumper. After the hook on the left side has been freed, you can lock the central connector of the electronics.
Unplug the electrics and washer system.
The central plug for the electrical system is located directly on the washing container. To unplug it, use a narrow screwdriver to lever the lock back a little. This will release the lock on the front and you can remove the plug. At the car wash, press the 2 blue locks on the hose and then pull it off. The washing water that runs out can be reused. Now you can unhook the hook on the right side and remove the bumper.